This is the beautiful river Manalsu, and from here we are on the trail to Kho Waterfalls. Abhishek Mayer posing with Manalsu river in background. Welcome to Wildlife Sanctuary Manali. This is the 360 view of the valley. From starting itself, the section is a bit steep, but it's manageable. So in last 33 minutes, we have gained some 195 meters and covered approximately 2 kilometers. Time is 10:24 and we are good to go. Really lucky to have such good weather after a long time. In last 10 days it's been intermittently raining, so let's make the best out of this day. Now on a relatively flat section of the trail, and from here you can spot the first rain shelter on this route. So here's our first rain shelter, and yeah, and we decide not to stop here because it's just been less than 40 minutes since we started walking from Old Manali. It's a safe trail to go, and we are going at a very good pace. Abhishek Meher is leading, and all along the trail you can find these pipes that supply drinking water to Manali. With me, I am carrying a day pack that has a water bottle, some chocolates, and a rain jacket for me, and poncho for my friend. There are stairs on several sections of the trail that just makes the hike more easy. The trail to Kho Waterfalls is a bit rolling. That means at certain sections you have to go down. So in the first hour we have covered some 3.6 kilometers. Time is around 11 a.m. and we are going at a decent pace, and we have gained some 370 meters. in altitude. More stairs, just making our lives more easy. The Manalsu river is flowing all along the way. It's a bit far, but you can hear the sound and you can see the crystal clear water flowing. Yeah, it's amazing. So the second rain shelter is in sight, and we will take a break for 5-10 minutes. We will have some snacks and then we will continue further. Yeah, it's a nice shelter. So we did a fantastic job till now, and Abhishek is resting here. He's so happy to be here.
मोहित जी पानी पीते हुए आधा ट्रैक हो गया है हमारा 4 किलोमीटर का, और 400 मीटर का एलिवेशन गेन हो गया है अब 1 घंटे में, और आधा ट्रैक और बचा है जो अब हम 5-10 मिनट रेस्ट करके शुरू करेंगे थोड़ी देर में। कैसा लग रहा है?
I'm feeling good. It's such an easy and beautiful trail, and we don't even have to use the hiking poles. So this place is used by the shepherds, and last time when I came here there were a lot of animals that were staying here, and this is a natural rain shelter. Some traces that this place was used very recently. More such streams and a solid reason to carry just one water bottle for 2 people. Just having a break. A bit of a steep section, so we have our hiking poles out. Yeah, it's a good day, and weather seems to be perfect for hiking. So after some 90 minutes we have covered some 4.8 kilometers, and pace is decent, not so fast, and we have gained some 550 plus meters. Yeah, a bit of a steep section, but as I already said, the stairs are making it so easy to walk on, and it's so safe. We have just finished the steep section, and now we are on a relatively flat trail. It's a bit of climb, but it's very gradual. On the other side of the valley there's a stream that is directly coming into the Manalsu river. Yeah. This is the toughest section of the trail, but we are just lucky that the rocks are dry. This section is a bit scary one. You just have to be very careful. Oh, what exactly it is? Now we are slightly above 2600, and so you can see the change in vegetation. The vegetation is so rich in here, and I am so new to this place that I don't even know which tree is which one. There you can see the Khanpur Tibba. It's a 4000 meter peak, and trek to this 4000 meter peak starts from Old Manali, and this is on the way to the Ranisui Lake. So this is our second stop for the day, and in the last 2 hours we have covered some 6 kilometers
711 elevation,
and we have gained some 775 meters in altitude. The trail here is so wide that you can consider bringing your mountain bike here, but on your own risk. This place seems like a campsite for the shepherds, but you can see that for all the structures there's a lot of grass. That means they haven't been used in a long time. We are very near to the waterfall. From here it will take some 15 minutes. We are very near to the destination. Oh, where is my co-hiker? Oh. He's hiding here. And meeting someone for the first time. आप भैया यहाँ पे क्या भेड़ लेके आए हो क्या? कहाँ है आपका भेड़?
यहाँ बाजी पिछले साइड।
अच्छा, तो उसके जो फॉल है उसके बाद में भी रास्ता है या फिर उसके बाद में पूरा ट्रेल खत्म हो जाता है?
रास्ता तो है ना आगे को।
अच्छा,
उधर से एक पुली होने लकड़ी की बनी हुई।
अच्छा अच्छा,
आगे को जा सकते हैं घूमने।
ओके, तो यहाँ से आगे रास्ता कहाँ पे जाता है?
यहाँ से आगे ये सीधा जाता है, इधर आगे से ये डाउन होता है नीचे को, नीचे को ऊपर को सीधा फॉल।
और ये कहीं से भी ये जो मनालसू नाला है वो क्रॉस कर सकते हैं?
कौन ये
नाला?
हाँ हो सकता है क्रॉस।
कहाँ से?
पर ऐसे ही होना जहाँ से वो फॉल नहीं, वो
कुछ ब्रिज बना रखा है या फिर?
ब्रिज है, लकड़ी का ब्रिज है।
अच्छा अच्छा, नाले पे लकड़ी का।
हाँ चल सकते हैं आदमी।
अच्छा अच्छा,
आप कहाँ से आ रहे हो?
हम तो पिछले साइड से आ रहे हैं।
क्या आप इधर ही रहते हो क्या?
हाँ नहीं, अब अगली साइड जाना।
Come on, Mayor. So it took us 2 hours 40 minutes to the waterfall, and this is one of the best waterfall I have ever seen. We stayed at the fall for around 20 minutes, had some snacks, and we were just thankful to be here. So here my co-hiker decided to have some push-ups. It's time to leave from here, and we are just expecting that we will reach Old Manali in 2 hours. Again on the steep section of the trail, and it was really risky to get down from here. You just have to be careful on such trails. Yeah, but somehow very carefully we managed to get down safely. Can you spot the hiker? He is well camouflaged. Again it's time for some rest, and we are just half an hour away from Old Manali. It's almost the end of the hike, and we are heading towards Old Manali. So it took us around 5 hours 15 minutes from Old Manali to Old Manali, and meanwhile we covered a distance of 15 kilometers, and we gained an altitude of 1100, approximately 1100.